Next step, let's go back to Dashboard Manager. We need to create a new dashboard. Just click Add Dashboard here. So let's put a name. I'm just gonna put a temporary name. Basically, you can put whatever you need. And OK. You can also display this dashboard as the landing page, but usually I don't do that. So now the page will refresh and it will appear at the bottom of my dashboard section. So if you scroll down a little bit, right here, that's the new dashboard. So now we got a dashboard template. We need to go to reports to actually pull each one of the reports and add them to the new dashboard. Okay, let's do the first one, which is key metrics for daily page view and visit. And we already have the segments available. Let's do this here. Try to find your topics PV. That's the one we just created. I actually already have a SAP segment. Past 30-day daily page view and visits. So let's apply it first. And double check. Okay, over, that's good. Select the date range for last 30 days. By day, run report. Since it's only for AJC, so if you're using AJC, Cox AJC local report suite, that's totally fine. It should be about the same. So we need to pick page view and the visits. It's under the metrics, and we don't need unique visitors. So apply your change here. Then this should be ready to be added to the dashboard. Now there is a button there, so this one, it says dashboard. Just click on it and it will ask you to add reportlet. You find a new dashboard created there and put a name for the reportlet, which is 30-day metrics for GA government IJC. That should be good, and it's rolling daily, which is fine if you're doing weekly or daily dashboard. Now click on create new, and it says this reportlet has been added to the dashboard. So now let's keep creating the reportlet. We need from social, which means we need to add another segment, referral type PV social networks, and that should be good for this one. Then we do the same thing. Add this reportlet to the dashboard. It should follow the same date range and the metrics. Let's just go ahead and click. Alright, put a name, 30-day from social. Okay, that's good. Create new, and this one is added as well. Really quick, do the search engine. So refer type PV search engines. That's gonna be the third one. Again, add this reportlet to the dashboard. From search, create new. Now we need top pages. Then we need to change the report page name. I always use page name for top pages. If you use page URL, it will have multiple URLs for the same story. So this way it's just cleaner. We need top pages on the free sites. Let's see. Free sites meaning remove the search segment, meaning AJC and Access Atlanta. This one. Property ID PV, AJC or Access Atlanta. And click OK. We got page view. So usually for the page level report, you only need page view because the visits will be biased or duplicated. If you want page view, if you want visits, that's fine too, but just bear in mind it's not a proper metric for page report. So top pages on free. Create new. Final one. Remove AJC segment. Adding my AJC for the top pages on paid. Do the same thing, add to the report, add to the dashboard. So top pages on paid. Create new. So now we have all the reportlets added to this dashboard. You can just click on the link, or you can go from the dashboard manager page. Now you're in this dashboard. On the left hand, you will see dashboard contents, and those are the 5 reportlets you just created. Now let's set the layout of the page. I think that looks good. And select this, either one, because we're gonna do one full page. Just drag it here. And you can actually put multiple reportlets on one page. It's just up to you. So right now you have the chart, and you also have the dates there, detailed information. Now click on Add Page. You can place the second one. Maybe we can try this, see if we can fit 2 on one page. Yeah, so I think that works too. Now we got general, AJC, and then from search, from social, you can switch. Then top page on free. This one takes a bit more space because it has the page name. And add one for paid. Oops. So usually you don't need a chart for page title. So just click on this tool icon and uncheck graph update. It will just remove the chart, which will save you some space here. So now this is all good. Please remember to click on save. Otherwise, you will lose everything. Now, if you click on layout again, it will go back to the view interface, and it just looks like this. So I think I need to do one more thing on top pages unpaid, because we're looking at my AJC, which means when we pull page view, especially when there is any gallery pages. Let me just double check. So there is no gallery, but to be safe, if you have gallery contents, it's the total PVs. You should be able to see the calculated metric for total PV here. PVs plus secondary gallery views. It will include all the secondary gallery views for my AJC galleries. So just to be safe. And after you change the metric, click on update. Okay. Now let's go back to the dashboard. You can then just replicate the dashboard for the other sections because it's exactly the same, just applying different segments. So let's double check here. Click into the dashboard and see if page view metric has changed for the last page. By the way, you can also change the name here. Just click back here and do this. Last 30-day metrics. And you can either press enter or just move on, but remember to save it. Okay, so this one has updated total PVs plus secondary gallery views. Okay.